But I think that the more important thing for Trump and his administration is that they all actually own these assets. If you go through the cabinet, if you go through a lot of the nominations, they own Bitcoin.
If Trump holds Bitcoin and all of his other cronies hold Bitcoin, then why the hell is the crypto market crashing right now? Holy shit. Today, we're going to take a look at Chainlink's price action. We got people running for the hills on Chainlink as we're nearing levels we haven't seen in quite some time. Welcome on, welcome all to the blockchain basement. Is Chainlink dead? Is the question we all ask ourselves today. Now, as we can see, the Chainlink price action not looking too great. Okay, this is Chainlink to Bitcoin, and this is how much Bitcoin you get for Chainlink. And the parity looking pretty rough here. So Chainlink has fallen down to a very, very key level that has not really been seen since back here in January of 2019, folks. And yes, we punched up, we came back down, proved this as support before the last bull market really took hold. Chainlink had a major run, punching up there, outperforming Bitcoin by a long shot. But ever since then, it's been a slow chunk down with lower lows all along the way. Now, what we're seeing here, Chainlink on the precipice of falling down below this recent low and continuing this pattern of lower lows. And this, in my opinion, could very well fall down to these levels, which is why I come to you with this warning and really how I'm going to plan my trades and my Chainlink holds over the next year here. Whipping up the old Chainlink chart here, it was kind of hilarious to see this previous level that I was looking at on this general, what people were calling a head and shoulders. I actually took the distance from the top here to the bottom end of this previous range. This was the range I had so much fun buying a ton of Chainlink in, but I was looking for a breakout. Left this to the upside, and by golly, if we didn't damn near hit that to a T at $29.08. Now, price is resetting. We're coming back down. Price is bad. Bags are down. What are we looking at here, folks? So, the key level that in general I feel like we need to hold on Chainlink comes in right here at about $13.55. I am going to be quite worried if we do fall below this level indeed. And there are some major headwinds that are going on for altcoins at large. We see Solana chunking down to 150 bucks. Might be some room to the downside for that as well. So if we see this $13 level, this is where I'm backing up the truck. I am of the opinion that we are right around the corner for some major bullish catalysts that nobody out in crypto or really macroeconomics is even talking about yet. And I'm going to dive into that during this video. It is important to note here is a post from Bubba Fox Bob for Punk. Chainlink's first pick is the weekly bounce off of the 50-day moving average right here. On the daily, bouncing off of the 200-day moving average right there, just a little wick below it, but at large, still holding the line. As of the time of this recording, let's have a look. We're at $16.24, folks. So on the larger time frames, this is what I'm looking out for. I am a major buyer of Chainlink should we fall back down to this $13 level. Essentially, this is the top end of the previous range where I had so much fun buying Chainlink within, and I am hopeful that we actually get this opportunity to load up before altcoin season is really able to take hold. The reason why I am so psychotically bullish about the time frame we're in and where we are in crypto is because of a few things. Mainly, everyone is freaking out about altcoins price and Bitcoin's price, while Bitcoin is literally building a shelf of health above the $90,000 level. If you're really backed up, forced through the trees on this thing, we are coiling and getting ready, in my opinion, to spring into this next Fibonacci zone, which the top end comes in at around $150,000. One of the most bullish things that I've seen today is this post from Watcher Guru. President Trump says he's in serious discussions with Putin to end the war and make a major economic deal with Russia. The markets are so beaten down, so priced in to cataclysmic war that the peace pump is something that no one is really giving credence to. And I'm here to bring you the alpha that we are right around the corner from this happening, and people are going to be shocked at the results of it. Not to mention Nvidia earnings are coming up at the end of the month and an Nvidia conference in March. Matthew Hyland also had some great technical analysis related to where Bitcoin's going. Bitcoin daily Bollinger Bands are at the tightest levels they were since August of 2023, with the Bollinger Band width ratio coming in at 2.85. Very tight constriction here. Let's do a cross check and see where Bitcoin's price was in August of 2023 to see what happened. And here we have it, folks. So right after the pullback, everyone was calling this a Bart Simpson pattern. We move into August. The Bollinger Bands got tighter than we had ever seen in recent history, and Bitcoin began to moon from that level. Against all the odds, I remember all the big influencers calling for a move back down to even 10K. Many people saying that a major capitulation event was incoming at this same time frame. The same kind of vibe that we have going on right now. But instead, what happened is we absolutely shot up to the upside. And when you're in crypto and watching all of this amazing bullish news day over day, the news isn't really moving the markets anymore. This is my opinion that we have to wait around just a little bit of time to see a peace deal knocked together between Trump and Putin, Paul Atkins be put in place at the SEC, an NVIDIA conference to happen, earnings to come out, and a larger sentiment shift to know our bags didn't go to zero and we're ready to party. This is a great post from Raw Paul reminding us we all need to learn patience. This graph that he's showing is from 2017, a very similar macro structure. 5 times we had a 28% pullback or more on Bitcoin. Most lasted 2 to 3 months before new highs. Altcoins saw 65% corrections, and all were noise. Go do something else more constructive than stare at a screen. So lock in, folks, and get ready for insane volatility coming in. If you think what we've seen over the last few weeks is bad, just wait till Bitcoin is going up and down by $10,000, $20,000 within a single day. People are going to lose their mind. So with that being said, make sure you're staying base. Make sure to keep your crypto on a cold storage device. Use code BASE10 and get 10% off of your Arculus cold storage wallet today and take advantage of the deal. We've all seen exchanges can't be trusted. Go in, you go out, you make your trade, you take your bucks. That's how you do it, folks. Stay safe out there, stay based, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.